we cannot see. The burden of this life made light. By blood and thorn we are redeemed. We take up our cross and follow Him. We lay down our lives that we might live. We carry the hope of Christ within. We take up our cross and follow Him. Lift Him high, lift Him high. Let His name be glorified. Lift Him high, lift Him high. Let His